Hey everyone, Mark here from Visual Pro Detailing. We just did our Pro Elite package on this beautiful brand new Lexus RX530. Paint, trim, wheels, glass on the paint. We do Crystal Serum Ultra, top grade professional ceramic coating. We also did interior coatings on plastic, vinyl, leather, carpets, everything. All of our interior products provide great UV protection, ease of cleaning, some abrasion resistance, and they do not alter the appearance of the factory surfaces, which is what people really love about our interior coating products. This vehicle is eligible for our limited lifetime guarantee on the paint coating with a yearly maintenance package. If you'd like to get your vehicle ceramic coated, paint corrected, detail, window tint, give us a call, 618-983-9706, or you can go to our website, which is visualprodetailing.com.